Previous things we've done, we took our old door out. We've made sure that we don't have any burrs or any broken screws or anything on the opening that we've gone into. We've taken a level, made sure everything is level going in. Before we took our door out, we measured and made sure our new door is going to fit in. We put the mobile home hardware on the door, made sure everything on it is right. Right here, you need to make sure it's sealed properly. We put our packing clips back on the door, one at the very bottom, lock side, one lock side just above the lock. So we made sure that our weather seal is all the way to the end. If it's not there, if it's up against the frame, it's going to result in a leak. So it's all there. So we're going to start off, put the door in our opening, making sure that what you're going up against, it's decently level to start. So we're gonna get one in the bottom inside, making sure it's decently tight. Then here, you're going to put a level on the door, making sure that we are level. We are level. From there, we're gonna hit the corners of the door. From there, we can open up, make sure everything's operational, and finish the screws. Good. When we do this, we need to hit every single bolt. Make sure each one's tight. If you're using butyl, you need to make sure the butyl or putty squeeze it out of it. On this, we're using a tape seal. Okay, so once the door is installed, want to open it up, make sure everything, all the hardware is on right. The key here is mobile home hardware. You can see these are drive-in latch bolts. So if you install it and you're closing the door and it is bouncing back at you, it's hitting and coming back. Couple things you can do. One, just turn the knob to where the plate is engaged and you can drive it in a little bit further. When you do that, door should close just fine. Some things you can do to help with it sealing more or less. There are two screws here. You can loosen them up. If it is to the outer side of it, it's going to loosen it up. If you want a tighter seal, you can push these in and it'll engage it a little bit more. Complete installation.